Hi friends, Neeraj here. In this video we are doing unboxing and review of Redmi Powerbank 1000 mAh. So let's get started. Here is Redmi box in orange and white color. Some more details mentioned on the box. Back of the box there are some highlight features and prices mentioned. Let's unbox it. Some user manual. Micro USB data cable. Here is a brand new Redmi Powerbank with matte black finishing. Some charging ports. Top of the power bank there is two USB Type-A connector, one micro USB and one Type-C. It is compact in design. Some manufacturing details are printed. It has two-way fast charging with lithium polymer battery with 12 layer of circuit protection. It has low power charging mode used to charge low power devices. This power bank is best under 799 rupees in India by Xiaomi. This is all about Redmi Powerbank 10,000 mAh. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel for more interesting videos.